Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone sound and vibration setting, and in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we turn on vibrate while ringing setting in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to on your vibrate while ringing setting, so how can you on in your Samsung phone? In this video guys I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. And first of all open your phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, sound and vibration guys, tap here. Friends, you can see a vibrate while ringing setting here. Friends, you want to on, you can on from this right side. So friend, your phone will vibrate while ringing. So as you want to on the setting, you can on from here. So the setting will on in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on vibrate while ringing setting in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.